Warm greetings from our team here at Island Shipper. You know what this is? A mistletoe. Rule number one, never put a mistletoe over your own head. You're a pervert. Rule number two, once there's a mistletoe, you know what to do.
I don't remember the name.
You don't remember the name. If I put it over your head, I think you'll remember. I lie. It's a mistletoe. I'm gonna put it over your head. You're supposed to kiss me. So come back. Put that over your head. What are you supposed to do? You know what you plan for Christmas.
Alright, so I will be with my family. I'm gonna enjoy my time with my daddy.
Yeah. Your father cook big pot. You know your father top cooking on me.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells sing. When I know the rest of the song. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. You know the rest of the song.